We're here at Naiya for a flight today to Boracay. Ayan. Dito na kami. Hi! Ay, di wala nakita ni Lola.
Ay, wala ba ako nakita? Mic test, mic test. Mga kasama din tayo ibang member ng ano. Ano chikahan niya?
Eh, ito nga.
Salita kayo.
Ito nga yun.
Hi everybody, time check. What time is it, baby? It's 5:37 in the morning and we're just waiting for the boarding. Too early.
I can't breathe. 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 I think I'm having a heart attack. There's no way you just said that. There's no way you just did that. Don't think I'll be able to look back. Oh, oh, I can't breathe. 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 There's no way you just said that. There's no way you just did that. Don't think I'll be able to look back. Oh, oh.
Hello, we're here na po sa van.
Pala. Si Meros, 24 lang? 24. Ah, 24 din. Natagal na.
Kapag 16.
Pala. Pala ko rin. Ano ako dito yung rap?
Yay! So excited!
Thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you po. Malaki pa rin talaga akong mama. Oh. Hugis bigas, isang kaban. Nagugutom na ako.
Gutom nga.
Sakay na kami ng bangka. So galing kami Katiklan ng airport. We're gonna be traveling for 8 minutes boat ride and then land travel for 15 to 20 minutes daw. Sa Station 3 kami.
Mura naman na.
Bigay ko yung number ko, ma'am.
Tawad dyan, may senior ako ah.
May tawad kaya doon, ma'am.
So kami ay nasa Bamboo Beach Resort. Station 3 na. And then kami ay mag-wait lang ng check-in time kasi it's 10 minutes before 9. So
Oh, I think I've cried for days, and I haven't been eating much. I thought you'd never leave. Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go?
hello guys! So we're here now and we're gonna be walking just around and I'm enjoying the sun! Gusto ko ngayon mo na lang, meron niyang pension.
Ayaw!
Hey, so we are headed to Station 1 and we're from Station 3. We're just really walking around. Sa may halapan lang ng bamboo. Tada, liwanag na lang siya. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Yeah, sa harapan ng bamboo, may ganitong atake. Oh, nice. Hey. Bunsa ka. Sorry. Bibili kami ng water. Sa convenience store kami. Gusto mo 100 of happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. We are headed to... Dito yung skin ko, diba? Kami ay mag-Alan happy today. It's day 2 in Boracay. Good morning.
I know that it's hard sometimes, but this world is so beautiful. It's a gift to be here. So please don't give up, 'cause we need you, we all need you. Don't you wanna see how the story ends? Maybe we'll save this world. Don't you wanna see how it ends? Oh, you wanna see how it ends?
Sa taas po. Thank you. Kung gusto nyo magamit ang upuan, ma'am, sa taas. Upuan tayo sa taas.
O, sino papabraid? 150 daw.
4 lang, 4 lines. 150?
So we are here now in Puka Beach. Puka Puka!
Bit na.
Magkano yung mga drinks?
Medyo expensive kasi.
Yun nga eh.
Medyo hakot lang kasi lahat ng gabi.
Mahal naman.
Ay, sorry. Okay na.
Medyo lahat kasi lahat hakot.
Okay, so nasa lilim kami ngayon, mga nagbe-braiders. Braiders? Yes. Si Lucky. Lucky! Lucky! Hindi naman pang tumitingin.
Pag-alaga.
Ayan. So, Boracay. Ito yung Puka Beach version. Milo!
Magtingin ka ng pearl earrings.
Kawai! The ma. We'll see you guys. Bye! So, tapos tayo mag-snorkeling and we are headed to the lunch area.
dagat. Ay, nainom kong tubig. Okay lang.
Ano mga kaganapan to?
Okay po.
Okay na.
I'm next. The.
Madulas ma? May yung ano, yung leaf. Game 1, 2, 3. We're here. Nasa Crystal Cove Island kami. And then, we're gonna take pictures. Tapos last destination of the island hopping. Hey! We're just here, chilling.
Ah, dito. Andiyan ka lang. Andiyan ka lang.
Pag ba nakaganyan, kahit wala mic, sarili.
Yeah, init! May ligo.
Iwan na lang ulit yung gamit.
Eh? Kaya nga, sabi ko kanina, dali na yung gamit.
Mais ka niya, no?
Ganda. Eh.
Lalakad ka na ganyan.
Konti pa, konting baba pa.
Konting orange.
Baba pa. Konting
Ayan,
baba.
lumalabas na rin yung mga tao.
What are you up to these days? I thought you'd never leave. Now I'm just holding my breath while you're gone. And now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Now that I need you, I need you, I need you the most. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go?
Hello po!
Happy birthday!
Pizza!
Happy birthday na.
Okay, so lalabas tayo for breakfast. It's rainy day. So we're here sa Bamboo. So since ano siya, like a very crowded hotel. Ang dami nilang customer nakakatuwa. Yes, buffet breakfast tayo. Ang palaya. Sana ganda na yung egg kahapon din. Parang hindi na sila nag-run out ng scramble. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Thank God na it was a blessing at least for us na sa last day kami inulan. Ayun na kami palabas na.
Ano na yung magbabang? Mamaya, magbabang ka ulit. Ito parang
We're going!
We're going to Pambisaan Fort.
Yan, Pambisaan Fort daw sabi ni Kuya.
Ano ba tayo? Saan na ba? Sa Pagkapa.
Vano. Correct.
Port Abana.
Ayan, sino mga basang sisiw?
Kasi pinanganak ka ng June.
Grabe ka nga, ganun-ganun yung ano.
Feeling ko mahirap pa yun.
Actually, no.
Si nanay gano'n na gano'n sa tukod ko. Ginagano ng lola mo.
Ala,
Kasama ako.
Malakas pa. Feeling ko ano to, special treat. Today's
So dear guests, Naya and Captain
Lasang
Kevin
burang.
would like to board our Asia flight.
Ewan na. Dikit dito.
Seatbelt sign is switched off. Careful when opening the overhead compartment and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you.
Ayan, so nag-park and fly pala kami. Tapos, iniwan lang namin si Apa. Iniwan lang namin si Apa para drive and home na kami diretso. Ayun, so we're just gonna nakuha na namin. And then we're ready to go home. Ayan na si Apa. And since we're here now, ito namin end of vlog.